Welcome to all of you. Okay, in this section, we are study about the transportation system. Okay, which things are important for the transportation systems? Okay, it's a very important and for your final examinations, maximum question asked on this topic to the NEET and other competitive examinations. Okay, we are discussing here about the transportation system. Before that, you must share, like, and comment. Okay, and subscribe our channel. Okay, press the bell icon. Okay, yes. We are discussing about the transportation system. In that, the transportation system in human being, that was firstly we are discussing. In the your NCRT book, you have given one activity regarding the transportation systems. You can visit near a health center and which are the normal ranges of the hemoglobin, okay, present in the human being. That was the that such type of activities there. Okay, means what is the effect of a hemoglobin? It is the acceptor. Okay, it is the pigment, respiratory pigment. We know that hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment which help to uh, which affinity to the oxygens, and that when it is affinity to the oxygen, it was transport to the different organs. Okay, it is one type of a vehicle, the vehicles. That's why. And other transportation system is diffusion pressure. It is not able to carry the oxygen whole over the body, because a large body or a large organisms, there is a not a working the diffusion pressure. Okay, for the that is the alternate system is there, and that alternate system is called the hemoglobin. Okay, hemoglobin, this is the respiratory pigment. Okay, first of all, we are discussing about the normal range of a hemoglobin in male and female. Okay, what is the normal range of hemoglobin in male and female? What is the normal range in male? Okay, in male it is the 13.8 to 17.2 G by DL, capital DL. What is the G by DL means? G by DL means, write down it, grams per deciliter. Grams per deciliter. Okay, this is the normal range of the in male. In male, what about the females? What about the females? What about the female? Okay, here in female, the normal range is a 12.1 up to 15.11 grams per liter. Okay, okay, grams per liter. And again, one question is asked for your examinations, that is the what is the normal range of cow and the buffalo? Okay, 10 to 15 GDL 100 cc. Okay, that is the normal range. and the buffaloes is a 12.5 to 14.5. This is the normal range. And dog 8 to 12.5. Okay, write down this. That is the that question is asked for NEET examinations. Okay, maximum such a questions arising your examination. That's why you want to work on that. Okay, here, okay, we are focusing toward the transportation system. Okay, last normal range of the hemoglobin we have seen 13.8 up to 17.2 is in male, and 12.1 to 15.1 gpl, grams per liter, in female. Okay, here we have seen in a previous chapters, okay, and previous standard, the blood is a transport, okay, food, oxygen and waste material in our body. We know that blood is a transporting food, oxygen and other material in our body. Okay, that's why blood is called the connective tissue. Blood is the connective tissue. We know that blood is which tissue? Blood is comes in a which? Yes, blood is come in tissues. We studied in a ninth standard. Okay, okay, tissues and type of tissues in that chapter. Blood is connective tissue. Maximum this question is asked for your examination for 1 mark. Okay, what is the blood? Okay, okay, blood is the connective tissue. We know that blood consists of a fluid medium called plasma. Here we know that the blood consists of a fluid medium of the blood that is called plasma, in which the cells are suspended. Okay, the plasma is the most important thing. Okay, blood consists of fluid medium that is called plasma, in which the cells are suspended, and the plasma help to transport which things transported by the plasma: food, carbon dioxide, salt, nitrogenous waste in a dissolved form. Okay, those things are dissolved in a plasma that was transported by the plasma. Okay, and the oxygen is carried by the RBCs, red blood corpuscles. Okay, uh, we know the different other substances that was a salt and other transported by the blood. Okay, the here the what type of a percentage here? The plasma up about a 55%. Okay, this is the when. Okay, uh, WBCs, white blood cells 4%. Okay, lymphocytes. Okay, basophils. Okay, platelets 0.01%, eosinophils, monocytes, neutrophils and RBCs. Okay, okay, RBCs 41%. Okay, this is the total about the percentage those are present in uh, the carriers. Okay, that things are present. Maximum time question ask which things are present in the plasma. There are percentage not asked for your examination, but maybe you want to know about the percentage. Plasma 55% and red RBCs are 41%, WBCs are 4%. Other percentage is not needed, but that is the main: RBC, WBC and plasma. Okay, and other basophils, the lymphocytes and other things are present in the uh, okay, here the red blood corpuscles carrying the oxygen and carbon dioxide. we know that. Okay, there is the needing the pumping organ to push the blood around the body. Okay, a network of tubes to reach all the tissues and system in place to ensure that the network can be not repaired when it was damaged. Okay, that damaged networks we are unable to repair. Here the red blood corpuscles carrying the oxygen and carbon dioxides. See in the diagram, it is the very important diagram. Okay, what is that? Because of red blood cells carrying oxygen, what is the color of that? And this is the direction, from this direction to the here vein. Okay, to the vein, to from the artery, from the artery to the vein. Okay, like this. Okay, here what is the, from the artery it gives the oxygen, the arrow showing gives the nutrition to body cell. Okay, okay, this is the capillaries. Okay, and after that from the body the carbon dioxide and waste materials added in it. Okay, the red blood cells with no oxygen, this is the, okay, no oxygen, and that was carried toward the vein. Again see it properly, what things is that, from the artery. Okay, carrying the oxygenated blood and nutrition. When it was carrying, it providing the oxygen to body, it providing nutrition to the body. Okay, capillaries there, fan from the body the carbon dioxide and waste material is added in the vein, and that was transported upward. Okay, here. Okay, this is the total about transportation systems, which is the, we study about the heart. Okay, here heart is the pumping organ to push a blood around the body, a network of blood vessels to reach all the tissues. Okay, see, this is the heart, sorry, this is the heart. Okay, that are the tissues, the blood vessels. Okay, here the blood vessels are spread everywhere in the body, everywhere. Okay, and that's why to need the push the blood, that's why it need to push the blood toward the organs. That's why heart is pumping continuously to push the blood. Here the heart has a different chambers. Okay, or in other words, our heart is a firstly we know that this is the muscular organ, sorry, which is the basic things, it is the muscular organ. Okay, which is a big as fist, as our fist. Okay, we make a fist, it is big. Here it carrying the both oxygen and carbon dioxide that was transported by the heart. Okay, the it having the different chambers, we know that here. Okay, what is the purpose of that chamber? To prevent the oxygen rich blood from mixing with the blood containing carbon dioxide. That chamber help to mix the oxygen rich blood, okay, from mixing with the blood containing carbon dioxide. Okay, oxygen rich blood we have seen in red in color. Okay, the deoxygenated blood or a carbon dioxide containing blood that was shown in blue in color. Okay, the heart has a different chamber to prevent the oxygen rich blood from mixing with the blood containing carbon dioxide. Okay, here to small upper chamber atria and large chamber down, that is called ventricles. Okay, upper chambers are called atria and lower chambers are ventricles. Okay, okay, the blood, sorry, the carbon dioxide rich blood has to reach the lungs from the carbon dioxide to be removed, and the oxygenated blood from the lungs has to be brought back to the heart. Okay, this oxygen rich blood is then pumped to the rest of the body. Why? Means deoxygenated blood that was transferred toward the heart, sorry, lungs. Okay, in that the deoxygenated blood means carbon dioxide is removed in the lungs and filling the oxygen in that, and that oxygenated blood is transferred toward the heart, and again that blood is pumped, okay, toward the body. Okay, this is the basic working of the heart. We will continue with next video. Okay, we are stop here.